Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for LLC taxes, step by step. Filing an extension gives you an extra 6 months to submit your federal tax return, which can be a huge relief if you need more time to gather your documents. Remember, an extension is only for filing your return, not for paying your taxes. You still need to estimate and pay any taxes you owe by the original deadline to avoid penalties. Let's get started on the process. The first step is identifying the correct form for your LLC. If you're a single-member LLC, you'll generally file Form 4868, just like a sole proprietor. However, if your LLC has multiple members and is taxed as a partnership, or if it is elected to be taxed as a corporation, you'll use Form 7004. Knowing the right form ensures your extension request is processed correctly. Make sure to confirm your LLC's tax classification before proceeding. Once you know your form, it's time to file. The easiest way is often electronically through tax software or with the help of a tax professional. This method is usually quick and provides immediate confirmation. Alternatively, you can print and mail a paper Form 4868 or Form 7004 directly to the IRS. Regardless of your chosen method, it's crucial to submit your extension request by the original tax deadline to avoid late filing penalties. Don't miss that date. Even with an extension, remember that it doesn't waive any interest or penalties on taxes you owe but haven't paid. Always pay as much as you can by the original deadline to reduce these potential charges. It's also a good practice to keep detailed records of your extension filing. And speaking of good practices, staying hydrated is key to clear thinking, especially during tax season. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.